Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture 4, parts of speech. Last time we have discussed pronoun and its kinds. There are 8 kinds of pronoun. Last time we discussed personal pronoun in detail. I will give you a review of last lecture. Pronoun and its kind. What is pronoun? A word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Like noun and replacing words of noun. The purpose of pronoun is to stop the repetition of naming words. It has 8 kinds. Can you recall? Okay. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun. Students, today we will discuss reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, inshallah. You have to note down the pages from Wren and Martin. Wren and Martin. And then you have to note down the pages. From Wren and Martin, page number 43, 45, and 47. Our topic is part of speech. Today we will do the second kind of reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? When we add self, the word self or self with pronouns like my, our, your, him, her, it, and them, then it will be myself, ourself, yourself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and themselves. It is called reflexive pronoun. There are some examples for you. She writes a letter herself. We cannot say that she write a letter himself. No. She write a letter herself. He asked questions himself. So this is about reflexive pronoun. And further you will add some examples like I do this myself. We play cricket ourselves. You speak truth yourself. Or you can say that for plural, you can speak truth yourself. He can ask question himself. She can ask questions herself. The horse hurts itself. And they join us themselves. So this is the use of pronoun in all cases. Reflexive pronoun in all cases. You have to learn the definition and go through with more and more examples. As I have mentioned, page 43 for reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is linked with emphatic pronoun. This is third kind of pronoun. Emphatic. Emphatic mean to focus, to stress. Yes. When we use will and shall for focus, for what reason? For focus. And when reflexive pronoun comes in second position of sentence, then it is called emphatic pronoun. Again, I have to repeat it. When we use will and shall for focus. For what? For focus. And when reflexive pronoun comes in second position of sentence, then it is called emphatic pronoun. Example. She, now herself, the word herself will come at the first position of the sentence. She herself can do it. They themselves win the match. So here I will quote some example from the book for reflexive pronoun. I hurt myself. Can you guess? Yes, it is reflexive pronoun. You will hurt yourself. It is also reflexive pronoun. When you will add it like this, you yourself will hurt, then it is emphatic. When you will add yourself or self words at the second position, he hurt himself, she hurt herself, the horse hurt herself, him itself, we hurt ourselves, you will hurt yourselves, they hurt themselves. So this is example of reflexive pronoun. Now example for emphatic pronoun. You have to note down the difference of reflexive and emphatic pronoun. I will do it myself. Reflexive, not. It's emphatic pronoun. I myself saw him do it. We will see to it ourselves. You yourself can best explain. He himself said so. She herself says so. It was told so by the teacher himself. We saw the Prime Minister himself. The town itself is not very large. They themselves admitted their guilt. So, this is all about reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Now, you have to recall the last kinds of pronoun, which was personal pronoun, and learn the name of 8 kinds of pronoun. So, next is indefinite pronoun. That is on page number 45 of Rain and Martin. This is page 45. It's about, let's start from the book. Just go through with the examples first. One hardly knows what to do. One does not like to say so, but it is only too true. One cannot be too careful of one's good name. One must not boast of one's own success. One must use one's best efforts if one wishes to succeed. One must not praise oneself. None of his parents are well known. None but fools have ever believed it. None is shortened form of not. One. Yet it is commonly used with plural verbs. They, people in general, say he has lost heavily. They say that one of the local banks has stopped payment. Yes, this is used for said by some persons. All were drowned. Some are born great. Some say he is a sharper. Somebody has stolen my watch. Nobody has dared to rescue the child. So, you will see that what is this? This is information about noun. The word which is giving information about noun is indefinite or unknown. So let's start the definition of indefinite pronoun. When noun is known in the sentence, when noun is unknown in the sentence, then it is called indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, for example, you are standing here, the door is being knocked, you don't know the noun, the person. What word you will use for that person? Someone. Someone is knocking the door. The word someone is indefinite here. Indefinite pronoun here. No one is responsible for the chaos. No one. Then we have some words, note down the list. One, all, some, somebody, nobody, few, many, any, others, anybody, nobody, everyone. That's all about the indefinite pronoun. Then relative pronoun. When a word relate or link clauses, then it is called relative pronoun. Here there are some words like this, that, those, WH family words. When WH family words like who, whose, whom, these words come within the sentence to describe the noun, then it is called relative pronoun. Here I have mentioned page number 47 for relative pronoun. So let's start example from the book. Relative pronoun. I met Ali. Ali had just returned. Again, I met Ali. Ali had just returned. I have found the pen. I had lost the pen. Here is the book. You lent me the book. Let Let us now combine each of the above pairs into one sentence. The above sentences are linked. Now we will join them. I met Ali. In above example, you will say that I met Ali. Ali had just returned. In second time, when we have used Ali, we will skip this word Ali second time and we will add who. I met Ali who had just returned. I have found the pen which I had lost. Here is the book that you lent me. You will notice the words who, which, that. These words are belongs to I, book, some name. When the word relate the naming words in a sentence and having WH family words, this, that, these, those, then it is called relative pronoun. We have to go through with the examples again. For example, this is the boy whom or who all praise. So the word who is for the boy. So it is relative pronoun. These are the boys who work hard. These are the boys whose exercise are done well. These are the boys who all praise or whom all praise. So these are the example of relative pronoun. 10 more examples. The man who is honest is trusted. Blessed is he who has found his work. He prayeth best who loved best. He who hesitates is lost. They never fail who die in a great cause. They are selves who dare not. In the right with 2 or 3. So students, that's all about the lecture number 4. Today in lecture 4 we have discussed reflexive pronoun, definition examples, emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. Inshallah, in next lecture we will complete our topic pronoun. You have to write all the stuff on the loose sheet and try to understand the concepts. Jazakallah khair.